Hi everybody, welcome to 2019. I'm Bob.
I'm JP.
And we just wanted to kick off the year and let you guys know that we've got a bunch of great videos coming. We've had to take some time off. The holidays and all the great stuff. Went on my son's Make-A-Wish trip. And, you know, JP's been really busy with work and family. And now it's time to kick off 2019.
Yeah, we're really looking forward to this year. We have some new goals for 2019. And maybe you share this goal. We're trying to get a little healthier. So you will see that reflected in some of the recipes that we do this year.
Yeah.
But not all the recipes.
No, we're totally not giving up on the good stuff because, you know, this isn't the cult of diet. We just want to get a little healthier. So if you see one of our videos and you're trying to figure out why did they use cauliflower or something else instead of, say, a rice or something, it's probably because we're looking to pull a couple of pounds off, okay? But that's not going to stop us from doing really cool things with pies and cakes and desserts and experiments and just having some fun, too.
Yeah. So what we'd like you to do is leave a comment on this video. What video did you like best that we did in 2018?
Yeah, I mean, it'd be great to know what you like the most, you know, and then stick around. We really appreciate all of you. Thank you. We love you. Our subscribers mean a lot to us. It's incredible, the growth that we've been getting, and we didn't want you to think we forgot about you. So stick around. 2019 is going to be a lot of fun.
Thank you. Peace.
Peace. Thank you. Bye.